Hi, I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnayo Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnayo Quezon the First. What it is they is putting me on such as feeling of sadness, loneliness, heart pain, illness, chest bone pain, heart pain, illness of in vomiting blood. That is what is being doing of Bobo Camouflage on this situation of 7 year of black magic that it starts year 2017 onwards. I am truthfulness married to Alex Jr. ko, of which is they is so intrigued. They is intrigued because of that style of of marriage, of wedding here Philippine. What is being intrigued is such as being killer of the person that is looking on my life, of which is Bobo. Bobo camouflage. Of such as my currently situation. This is a color of black, and then they tends to uh, being attached. That is the wrongness. They tends to being attached in here, of such as they just putting me traumatization, meaning to say they want to be attached on the color of this short, so that to put traumatization on myself, which is equivalent of it is heart pain, illness, vomiting blood. That is what they're putting on myself, on my healthiness body. That is why Bobo camouflage here Philippine is so criminal. And then this one is the other. This is color green, yellow green. And then this is color, what do you call this one? Pale green. What it is about, they is so clingy, attached, being attached onto this color, even though they is not part of my life. That is how they is being killer. They putting me traumatization so that myself be dead. I wish talaga what they're, that is why, that is what my talking. Whatever they doing, what I wish is they just killing their relative so that they could be dead already. That is what myself is uh, talking, because of what they're doing on myself is killing myself. That is why I need a specific person to help me, because here at Philippines, they is backer of kabit, concubine. That tends to kill me. The kabit here Philippines wants to kill me because of gold digger, being gold digger. They not even wants to happen on myself that uh, myself being received money, that they is so envious because of they is so ego, devil. Yun, ego, they is devil, evil. And then it is truthfulness good if they will, if there is a war here Philippines, so that they could be dead already. What is on my panaginip, 100 of Bobo camouflage is being dead. And then previous day, the other criminal shows Kadiri. They is so Kadiri. I am college degree that never pertains my life onto them, of which is they is so clingy. That is why they is so criminal. I not want them. Punyeta. My being college degree, myself only tends to socialize to high school classmate. College degree, professionalism is business company. And then my baby pertains to only business company. Bobo camouflage in my life, no existence. That is why please help me from other country, because myself is being killed here Philippine on the use of black magic, of which is they is backer of kabit. My ear is swallow swallow at this day because of slapping ear, the intensity of my hand being slapped on my ear. Karen Talanya. Karen Talanya is criminal as well. They tends to destroy my feeling, of which is they just putting heart pain illness on myself. Criminal. Karen Talanya is criminal. What it is during year 2023, that person tends to put me on fat mode so that they could slap me, so that they could hurt me because of the getting of what is mine, even though the thinking process of myself is not onto them. That is how they kills. Is they will stop to put me on traumatization on that color. That is not part of themselves. There is a specific person that is interferes on my talking and then just wants me to eat even though I not want to eat at the moment because myself is talking in here. And then what they're doing is hurting me only. Then I will eat while I talk. But when I will eat, they will pertains it to other person. And then they will hurt me. Snapping on ear. I could I could cite my eye of such as drawing of the there is already line on the eye, on the right eye, and then on the left eye because of his slapping. That is the intensity of their criminality. Please naman no, help me from other country because this country is so bad person. Philippine country is so kadiri. Myself is being killed. This one, is I could sight on my eye when I slap. Precious Crucendico is the first person that slapped me, as well as her mother. Year 2022. Married kami ni Alex. That is how they is criminal. Please help me. Please help me. Lover ko, Alex ko, I not want bobo ko ma-flag. Alex Jr. ko is civil engineer. I not want that person. At the moment, myself is being put on a situation of to destroy my talking. I need help from other country. Please help me. So the memory here at lower bikutan on myself, it is right eye, meaning to say being manipulation of a specific person. And then there is as well casket. And then I am a lover of Alex Junior ko, which is college degree. My being college degree, myself is on business company. What is being doing is they putting me on killing portion, of which is I am a bride that they is killing myself on, such as the use of black magic. That is why I wish they be dead. They even know to themselves that they will be dead. And then this is what they're doing. They is killing me before it happens. My ear is on swallow. It is so ache. The thickness of the hand is father of Alex Jr. ko, and then Tito Watson. Ang Watson. That is my feeling this morning. God. This is killing me. The person that is putting my family that I am a child on poorness. That is what is being said of the right eye. Ew, pala mukha mo. I wish talaga, but person be dead. Ay, nauwan in here. This bad person. Nakakadiri yung banso talaga. Please naman, oh. Nakakadiri yung kriminal. Please help me. Because myself is being killed here, Philippine. Seriousness is what I am saying. Please help me naman, oh. Oh. Nangangaila, I need help from other country. But person is killing me. That bunso is being slashed the head of which is I wish talaga it happens already because that person is criminal. Kailan ba sila papatayin ng mamatay na kaagad-agaran? Ay, Diyos ko! Kriminal yung bobong camouflage! Di naman ginugusto ng diri sarili mo! Ang pangit mo! Bobo! Camouflage! Bobo! The bobo camouflage is bansot that wears color brown of which is criminal. Even the color of that person is being put on Alex Jr. ko. That person is criminal, the bobong camouflage. That person is specific, is being slashed the head. I already say about of what the person is doing on my other camera video. And then there is backer of Kapit of Kapit number 1, Precious Crucendico, and then Kapit number 2, Joaquin Kadiri, Tony Kadiri, May Kadiri. From Bobong Camouflage. This is not excitement. This is not excitement. This is disaster. Ano, Alex? Excitement mo ganito? Pambobo? Ang sakit-sakit na ng tenga ko! Alam mo, alam mo ka mo! The person that talks on my ear does not what? Hurt themselves? While myself is they hurt me? Alex! Tao ako! Yung skills ko! Pinagkikialaman, di naman tama! Di ako mapagpanggap! I wish they be dead! They be dead! I'm not artista. I'm not what artista, Kadiri. AJ Locsin is so clingy on myself. I wish they be dead. Alunga! I wish talaga they be dead! Yung bobong camouflage, they be dead! It happens! I wish they be dead! Alam mo ka mo, pasalita ka pala salita sa tenga ko. Ate Michelle, ang Gementisa tends to on my right eye. And then it pertains onto my watching television, Korean drama. My God! The bad person uses black magic. I am good person. I not hurt other person, and then what I am saying when it comes onto deadness, it is on my panaginip. It happens. The bad person doing is killing me. What their strategy on killing is this ear. They want me to slap my ear, which is sometimes such this. Oh, I wish that person be dead. And then logically thinking process, the voices on my ear talks. they tends to kill me on such as slapping ear, wherein it is so painful because it hurts. They is on such as pretentious. They talk on my ear and then what my talking is on a specific situation. I am the person that they is killing. Nakakadiri yung mga kadiri na tao. Kadiri kayo mga camouflage! On myself, I have respect. What you are doing is traumatization harassment. And then when it comes to Karen Talanya, they will put me on that they creation of situation so that myself will be on that house of which is they I not like. What they're doing is just putting heart pain illness on myself. Ano? Harassment na naman yung tema doon? Yung 2018, it should be me and Alex Jr. ko living on the third floor. Dami nyo singit! What is their strategy? They want myself to go indoor, to live indoor. And then, what it just only they're doing is putting me heart pain illness. Of which is my truthfulness location of house is on that house. Not in here because in here is so kadiri. Strategy of them. Am I being understood? My ear is on A. What is being said of the good person? For at the age of 40, is they planning to put heart pain illness on myself? Those bumbong camouflage na nakakadiri. My chest bone is on 8. What's that? I prefer that house to live on at, not in here or Camellia Homes. Truthfulness, they is just getting of what is mine. Oh, chest pain. Chest bone pain. Alex lover ko, palamukha mo. Alex! Alex lang! Lover ko! I'm not onto drama. This is not drama. Ano ba? Kailan kayo gising? When is you will be awake that myself is being killed? And then, when I go back on that house, what they're just targeting is the house of them on condominium apartment. At they, bastos nila. That is why I need to talk so that you understood of how they kills me. Nakakadiri. Ang bastos nila. My mother is caretaker on that house. But I prefer Camellia Homes after that house, not in here. And I want to say that I want to behave. I am not on boastful. I am not on talking about property. Myself is being killed. My father is left eye as well. My family is left eye. Corina has a moment at America. This year of myself, previous day, March 1, 2025, it is not swallow already. I could feel the bone. And then at this day, March 2, it is my hand slaps this, of which is tends to swallow. Of wherein on slapping, tightening of hand is what I feel on my right hand. Meaning of it, the intensity of being slapped so that it could be turns onto this. I need help. I not want my situation. What else could I say? It hurts. I not want to hear the voice on my ear. Yellow eyes. Oh, it hitness. Letter H, letter E, letter A, letter T, letter N, letter E, letter S, letter S. What does it mean? I could feel, such as fever. What is being says of the right eye tends to copy me of the specific girl gender. I not know what it means. Meaning of it, on the use of black magic, myself is being slapped the ear because of copying myself of a person, but person that should be dead. Is that the what is happening? It's such as a fever. Intensity 1 to 10. It is on number 5 to 6. 5 to 6. Number 6. Intensity it is. Ay, nauwan din. Diyos ko naman. Ang bastos naman ng ganitong gawain. I will end my camera video 45 minutes and 58 seconds. I need help from other country.